Hello friends, welcome to Mono Creativity. This is your mate Sadil Jan, and today we are going to show you how to make this amazing flower out of waste pages or newspaper. I have made from different newspapers and then I colored and pasted on wall. Now you would need some pieces of a newspaper as you see here with me, and you have to fold it from one side, and now we are going to cut the whole newspaper. I'm using here a knife to cut the newspaper. You also can use a scissor to cut out the newspaper. So let's see how I'm cutting the newspaper. You also have to cut the whole newspaper according to as I'm cutting here. These are the newspaper pieces that I cut, and now you would need a stick as I'm using here a stick to fold the newspaper. So you also can use a big pencil for folding the newspaper. So as you fold the whole newspaper, at the end we would need a glue to tight the inside of a newspaper. Now I'm removing the stick from the newspaper, and the newspaper itself become a stick. Now you're seeing here that I have made lots of newspaper sticks. So you would also need the newspaper sticks according to your flower design. Here are lots of newspaper sticks because I'm making a big flower, as you see in the beginning of this video. As you make the sticks from the flowers, and you would need to press the stick because it will easy to fold the newspaper from a surface, from a round surface. It will be easy to make a round circle from it. So you would need to press the newspaper as I am pressing here the newspaper. So here, as you see in the beginning of video to the flower, we would need 4 different shapes, different sizes. The first one is larger. So here you'll see that I'm rounding the newspaper. First, we will get a big surface. As you see here, I'm rounding the newspaper with the big object. Further, you would round the more objects, the smaller, and at the end, the smallest object, you would need to round that.